Hey, how's it going everybody? I'm getting ready to show you how I made this green screen that I'm using right behind me for under 20 bucks with just some other stuff that most people just have laying around the house. Stick around, let's get started. Alright, so outside of the $13 that we spent on the fabric from the fabric store, I also used a stapler and a hot glue gun. And those are the only tools that I needed to make this thing. Hot glue gun, stapler, and the bar that goes across the top there. Speaking of tools, the video that you're seeing play in the background, that's another one of my videos. It's called LHI 220 Flying by the Water. I do a lot of videos on chasing airplanes with drones, 3D printing. I've got a couple on some computer upgrades, but really working on trying to make some good content for you guys, stuff that people enjoy watching. Hopefully people learn something here and there, maybe. But if you enjoyed this, consider giving me a subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 1,000. Guys, so here is a shot of the back of the screen. I've just kind of got it hanging up from a couple little things up on the ceiling here. I just took it and stapled it as evenly as possible to a piece of wood that I had kind of laying around the house. And you can see in some spots I had to pull it a little tighter than others. And I just kind of kept as evenly as possible doing that all the way across and just stapling it in with my staple gun there. And these two things, these bracket things I'm using, I just also just kind of had those laying around, drilled a hole, put them in there, and that way when I want to take this down, all I do is lift it right off of those. There's two, one there, one there. I lift it down, roll it up, and away it goes. So that is my setup from that side. Alright, so I want to show you guys how I've got it lit. I've got a long bar light kind of up here on top. Then I've got a circle light right there in front of me. There's another light off to the side. And I've got one on the back of my chair right there. So the back of the chair kind of helps give it a nice even light at the bottom. It's really hard to get these lit evenly, and it's extremely important. But yeah, so when you want to take it down, just pop it down and roll it up. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. We got a green screen. We got a green screen.